Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are looking at Gamma AI, the AI tool that promises to create full presentations in minutes. Is it really that good in 2025? Let's find out. Gamma AI helps you make slide decks without using PowerPoint or Google Slides. You just write what your presentation is about, like how to start a business, and Gamma creates the structure, text, and even design for you. It looks clean and modern, and you can edit things easily. The AI gives you talking points, visuals, and layout suggestions too. It's great if you are short on time or don't like designing slides. Some people love it for school, work, or startup pitches, but sometimes the slides might feel too simple or generic, so you might still need to tweak things. So, is Gamma worth using in 2025? Yes, if you want quick, clean presentations without spending hours, but it's not perfect for deep or very custom decks. Let me know what you think in the comments and hit like if this helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech reviews. Thanks for watching.